Looking back over my shoulder, I can see the look in your eyes. I never dreamed it could be over. I never wanted to say goodbye. Looking back over my shoulder, with an aching deep in my heart. I wish we were just starting over, oh, instead of drifting so far apart. Everybody told me you were leaving. Funny, I should be the last to know. Baby, please tell me that I'm dreaming. I would never want to let you go. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today I'll show you how I'm playing Over My Shoulder by Mike and the Mechanics. Shout out to all the mechanics out there. I'll show you how to play it 1/2 step down than original. If you want to play along with the original recording, you just put a cape on the first fret and strum along with it with the same chords that I'm about to show you right now. Let's go. Alright, throughout the song we have just two parts. The first one is E minor 7, okay, to A to D. Alright. Looking back over my shoulder, with an aching deep in my heart. But what is interesting here is the strumming. So what I'm doing, basically the right hand is never stopping. It just goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, but I'm muting some of the times. So the end result is something like down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Notice how my hand is never stopping. And on the muted ones, I'm basically just leaving my fingers on top of the strings without pressing. Okay? Alright, let's try with tempo. Alright, and after that we also have the chorus part, which starts with C to G to F to G. And we're repeating this 3 times, alright, with the same strumming pattern. Everybody told me you were leaving. Funny, I should be the last to know. Baby, please tell me that I'm dreaming. And then we go to A minor. I would never like to let you go, to A sharp. But A sharp, we're holding it a little bit more. And we get back to the main part. Looking back over my shoulder. Oh, and actually we have one more little detail in the song. So after the last chorus, we have this very quick walk. Basically we're going C, G, A minor, F, G, but on the A string we have to do 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Okay, so C like this, then G on the 5th fret, the pinky, okay, then A minor. This is a stretch. If you cannot grab it like this, just grab it like A minor 7, basically. All the strings open except the A string on the 7th fret. And then barring the 5th fret, grabbing F like this. Okay, then sliding this same shape, 2 frets up. And we hold a little bit more on this G. and after that we start repeating the main part. Looking back over my shoulder. Alright, that was my ukulele tutorial for Over My Shoulder. Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you write in the comments below which song should I do next. Of course, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.